What's up, guys? 2013 Nissan Titan, Autel IM608 Pro 2. Got just a standard key. Looks like we're putting in a new transponder key with the remote head. Should be the same from like 08 to 16 on these Nissans. Some of the GM little city vans, basically just rebadged Nissans. So let's go ahead and jump into it here. Got our VCI connected already, connected to the Wi-Fi, auto selection. Going to turn on the hazards, open and close the driver's door, and turn the ignition on. Okay. To status scan. Add key. Yes, we want to continue. Ignition is on. This will erase all the keys. We'll have to have all the keys that we want to put back in the vehicle in it with us. Turn the ignition off. Wait 5 seconds. Remove the key. Okay. First key in and turn. Wait. Okay. Immobilizer light went out. Program the next one, yes. Turn the ignition off. Remove key. Okay. Second key in. Turn on. Immobilizer light went out. No, we do not want to program the next one. Turning it off. Remove it. Put the first key we programmed back in. Turn the key on. Immobilizer light is not on. Turn it off. And we'll make sure all the keys can start it. That's it. Thanks for watching.